Hello, Sari Stars. How are things going on in your saree world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, we are starting with our Deepavali special collection of Kanjivaram silk saris. We have some very unique and very exclusive Kanjivarams lined up for you this festive season, so make sure you don't miss these Deepavali special saris. With that, let's get started with the collection. A very pretty pastel Kanjivaram silk sari. This one has Meenakari zari motifs on it. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a very unique pastel mint color. This one is a very unique and special Kanjivaram silk sari. There are Meenakari with zari motifs all over the body of the sari. The borders of the sari are in sage green and there are two stripes of zari along the borders. The pallu of the sari has two bands of gudara, that is horse motifs in zari, and circular zari buttas. The base of the pallu is a beautiful dark green. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same dark green as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with pearl jewelry. A no-zari Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is a Korvai Kanjivaram with Podikattam. A classic Podikattam Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is a Korvai Kanjivaram without zari. The body of the sari has Podikattam or very tiny checks in a combination of maroon and white. The borders of the sari are Korvai maroon borders and there are temples along the borders with a row of threadwork motifs. The maroon pallu of the sari has Tazhambu Reku. The sari has a maroon blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a beautiful green blouse. You can accessorize this sari with beaded jewelry or silver jewelry. A fantastic Kanjivaram silk sari. This one has zari pakshi motifs on it. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a rich royal shade of purple. This one is absolutely beautiful. There are Annam Chakram motifs in zari all over the body of the sari. There are two stripes of zari along with pakshi motifs in zari along the borders. There are two rows of pakshi motifs and in between there is a gorgeous band of diamond-shaped motifs on the pallu. All these are done in zari. A gorgeous and majestic Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is an Ettukol Kanjivaram. This Kanjivaram silk sari is in a very lovely shade of moss green. It is an Ettukol Kanjivaram silk sari. The borders of beautiful temples done in the Ettukol design. The pallu of the sari is also woven using the Ettukol method. This is a classic sari and the temples add to the splendor of this sari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a gold tissue blouse. You can accessorize this sari with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. If you want to adorn a festive look this Deepavali, this Vanasingaram Kanjivaram is just perfect for you. The sari doesn't have borders. There is a lovely short green selvage and a zari stripe along the selvages. The pallu of the sari is majestic and grand and it has lovely zari motifs of pakshis and floral motifs. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same mantulir or short green color as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. A grand Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is a Korvai Kanjivaram with zari kattam. A fabulous Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of the sari is in a lovely auspicious red and there are zari kattams or checks all over the body of the sari. The Korvai borders are in a beautiful deep navy blue and there are 2 rows of Pakshi motifs in zari. The pallu of the sari is in the same navy blue as the borders and there are beautiful Pakshi motifs in zari on the pallu. The sari has a blue blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. You can accessorize this sari with a diamond necklace for a grand and festive look. This Kanjivaram silk sari is grand and perfect for bridal and special occasions because of the auspicious red color and the lovely zari kattams. A lovely Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a gorgeous shade of plum and it has beautiful Pakshi motifs in zari. A spectacular Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a gorgeous shade of plum. There are lovely Pakshi motifs all over the body in zari. The sari doesn't have borders. There's a lovely pink selvage which adds a look of beauty to this sari. The pallu of the sari is grand and elaborate with two rows of motifs of yali and pakshi done in zari. There is also a row of lovely and cute Kalakshetra design inspired kili motifs in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or you can pair it with a pretty pink blouse. You can accessorize this sari with emerald jewelry. A classic Kattam Kanchivaram silk sari. This one is in a festive shade of saffron rust and it has lovely kattams or checks. A stunning Kattam Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a very gorgeous shade of rust orange and there are small kattams or checks all over the body of the sari. The borders have rectipated zari borders and the motifs are beautiful floral motifs. There is a short green selvage which enhances the look of this sari. The pallu of the sari has a broad zari band and zari stripes. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or you can pair it with a beautiful short green blouse. A kemp adiga will enhance the look of this sari. Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari in a lovely and unique combination. This one is in a beautiful combination of yellow and blue. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a fabulous shade of yellow. This sari has all over grids on the body. The borders of the sari or korvai borders, they are in a beautiful deep blue and there are two stripes of zari along the borders. The pallu of the sari is in the same blue as the borders and it has sipureka in zari. The sari has a blue blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. A grand and festive Kanjivaram silk sari perfect for Deepavali. This one is in a beautiful deep emerald green. This one is a Mail Chakram Kanjivaram. The body of the sari has all over zari kattams or checks and there are Mail Chakram motifs in zari all over the body. The borders of the sari are in a lighter shade of green and there are two rows of bold Rudraksham motifs in zari along the borders. The maroon pallu of the sari has chakram, gudra that is horses and manga or paisley motifs. All these are done in zari. The sari comes with an exquisite blouse fabric in maroon with all over zari cuttums or checks. This blouse fabric itself is versatile and you can pair it with many of your other festive saris too. A very pretty pastel pink Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is absolutely elegant and lovely. A very lovely Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a pretty pastel pink. The sari has narrow borders with zari motifs and two stripes of pink thread motifs. The pallu of the sari has sipireka in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a beautiful deep pink blouse. You can accessorize this sari with a lovely deep green necklace. A unique and exclusive Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a rare shade of bronze brown. A Kanjivaram silk sari in an exclusive and rare color. This one is a lovely bronze. The borders of the sari have tutripu motifs in zari and a band of yellow motifs. At either end of the pallu is a gorgeous Konya paisley done in zari. The pallu also has bands of zari and yellow threadwork motifs. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a contrast yellow colored blouse. You can accessorize this sari with a grand diamond necklace. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a very lovely and unique combination. This one has a beautiful sea green body with a short purple border. This is a must-have Kanjivaram silk sari. It is an Ayiram Mail Chakram Kanjivaram. The body is in a lovely short sea green and the Mail Chakram motifs are there all over the body. The borders are in a gorgeous short purple color and there are two stripes of zari on the borders. The pallu of the sari is simply stunning. It's in a gorgeous short purple and there is a band of Banaras motifs in zari along with zari lines. The sari has a short purple blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a Navaratna necklace. A gorgeous Usivanam Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a beautiful shade of green. A grand bridal Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a gorgeous green and it's a Usivanam Kanjivaram silk sari. That is, the zari lines run along the width of the sari. The borders of the sari have Tutripu motifs in zari. The pallu of the sari is simply breathtaking. It has elaborate and intricate zari motifs of yana, that is elephants, pakshis and diamond motifs all done in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a zari tissue blouse. You can accessorize this sari with traditional gold jewelry or diamond jewelry. A very festive Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is a threadwork Kanjivaram in a lovely rust. An extremely festive threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a gorgeous saffron rust color and there are threadwork motifs all over the body of the sari. The borders of the sari are in a combination of red and green and there are Mailkand motifs in thread. The pallu of the sari follows the same color scheme as the borders and the motifs on the pallu are threadwork motifs. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a beautiful green blouse. You can accessorize this sari with beaded jewelry or silver jewelry. A Podikattam Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a combination of auspicious colors and it's a no zari Kanjivaram. A vintage style Kanjivaram silk sari. This one has kattams or checks in multicolors on the body and this is a Korvai Kanjivaram. The maroon Korvai borders with temples along them provide a beautiful contrast to the body which has multicolor checks in green, yellow and maroon. The maroon arakku pallu of the sari has Tazhambu Rekku. The blouse fabric of the sari is in a beautiful Arakku maroon. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a gorgeous green blouse. You can accessorize this sari with traditional gold jewelry. A timeless Palum Paramum Korvai Kattam Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is a must-have in your wardrobe. A timeless Kattam Palum Paramum Kanjivaram silk sari. This one has a body with a gorgeous color combination of shades of yellow, shades of black and shades of Arakku. The borders are Korvai borders in Arakku and there are temples along the borders. The Arakku pallu of the sari has Tazhambu Rekku. The sari has an Arakku blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold or silver jewelry. Threadwork Kanjivaram silk saris and no zari Kanjivaram silk saris are perfect to wear during this festive season for your office parties and for small get-togethers and occasions. To shop for our collection of no zari Kanjivarams and threadwork Kanjivaram silk saris, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.